Great evening to all of you. How are you all? Yes, CA students are freaking out and CMA students are studying like this, looking at all your doubts. I'm happy that you all are focused and doing super duper good. So let us begin this 30 minutes live, very quick, very crisp. And the topic for today, for the upcoming exam, I felt students need to revise again and again. Salary chapter is very important for direct taxes, for inter, as well as for final. So I am giving you from my booster notes all the gist of all the retirement benefits and how to use the definition of salary while solving 7, 8, 9, 10 marks question, right or not? So if you see the mock test paper of these CMA exams, the specifically for the salary chapter separate question is there for 8 marks. Okay. So taking up that right now. Yes. So for this magic of logic, if you feel it is helpful to you, do share it with your friends, do like it, do comment about it. Just 1 minute. Okay. And what is this magic of logic series? Whether you're writing the exam, whether your exam is completed, income tax is very easy, but it is vast. So it needs repetition in a proper structured regular live classes or the fast track batch or like this. So important concepts you need to revise it and in the gist way, which will boost your confidence. That's why we are here with this Magic of Logic series. All the concepts very important for costing, for taxation. I will bring it here. And this is the 9th class. Every Saturday we are taking class, live class just of 30 minutes where I teach a concept. It's a challenge. You check the interest on loan flowchart for house property. Never your MCQ or problem will go wrong. Same is applicable to the virtual digital asset. So these are the topics which are asked. They are asked in depth and you need repetition. You need to have that gist. And this material, this booster notes, what I'm sharing are all available in our Telegram group. So in the description, anywhere in any of the videos description, from there you can join the Telegram. Okay. Now, always I end the class with some motivating booster mantra, but this time I want to do it in the beginning and then start with the class very quickly today. So, now because there are 10, 12 days left for the CMA exam, definitely, however good you study 8 hours, 10 hours, that doubt will come, मेरे से होगा या नहीं, ये ठीक तो कर रहा हूँ या नहीं, करूँ या नहीं करूँ. So, you are a student, be it a teacher, a professional, a businessman, your papa, your mom, doubt is a part of our living. So, you cannot say, ma'am, when I get doubt-free, I get fear-free, then I will write my exam. It's going to be there. Can we deal with it head on? Okay, what is the doubt? ठीक है. Okay, अगर ये हुआ तो क्या? अगर ये हुआ तो क्या? The universe is conspiring and it is bringing the best, what is best for you. Whatever you desire is good, but something more better than that is coming. And for technical doubts, I'm here to clear all your doubts for DT and costing, DT, GST and costing. And there are other teachers also. Everyone is working and very cooperative. So you just need to ask what is your doubt in the Telegram, in the WhatsApp, wherever you can connect. And definitely you will get the best. Okay. So it's a promise. Every day now and then, sometimes a part of the day will be motivated. Okay, आज 4 घंटे ये पढ़ लिया, हो गया, चलो, very good, I've completed business head, these many problems done. Again, sometimes of the day, am I doing right? Am I meant to do CMA? कुछ और करूं? अरे कोई option 2 नहीं है. और ऑप्शन 2 है ना, तो उसमें भी स्ट्रगल है, वो सब हम बाद में देखेंगे एग्जाम के बाद. राइट नाउ मी एंड माई एग्जाम. Don't allow anyone to mess with your goals. This was last week's mantra. Again, this. Second is fear. Little bit fear is healthy. It will keep you focused. तो वो डर रहना है कि नहीं, फेल होने की तो आदत नहीं है. This my husband has made me realize that you are a person who cannot tolerate failure. That's why you work extraordinary and make every class, every lecture, every exam. I perform musical performances also. You do more than required work because you are not able to take that failure. And it's not. I have also failed in CA final. But I'm just saying ki if fear is there, little bit, let it be there. And what is extra? Again, flip it. Ask the fear ki cheez ka dar hai ye. अच्छा ये नहीं हुआ तो ये, अच्छा ये नहीं होगा तो एटलीस्ट मैं पढ़ तो रहा हूँ, मैं कर तो रहा हूँ ना. बाकी लोग तो और दे आर जस्ट डूइंग देयर ग्रेजुएशन, सिटिंग इन द कैंटीन, डूइंग सम चिट चैट, तो एटलीस्ट यू आर डूइंग बेटर, राइट? So this is the mantra for today. Now I'm sharing my screen and let us start with salary problem. Now, whenever you get salary problem, whether it is HRA or RFA and all, you need to do a lot of calculations, right? So how your salary problem should be in the exam, that I want to give you first. Okay, just listen to me carefully. If they give you house rent allowance received, less house rent allowance exempt, working note 1, RFA, working note 2, tiffin allowance, less exempt. So like this, you make your salary problem look very compact, and for everything you can do working note. Now your working note should start with definition of salary. Suppose you are calculating gratuity. Okay. So when you are calculating gratuity, definition of salary for gratuity, if they are not covered, is basic, DA only which is in terms of employment. All the DA is taxable, 1,000 rupees received, but only 60% DA, which is to be considered for retirement benefit as given in the question that you have to take, and you have to take the commission based on percentage of the profit. So I'm starting the topic now, but what I'm saying is, are you getting this presentation skill? Yes, right. Okay. One more thing, very important disclaimer I am saying here, I am giving you the gist, the best gist. If you ask me to explain how the retirement benefit calculation is done, then Sarthi videos are there. Just check salary head first video, all the retirement benefit, one retirement benefit, uska problem. Second, वैसे I have explained and 100% it will be clear. These classes I have taken live in YouTube and they are free to watch as many times. Now, this is the gist I have made on my own. Definition of salary. If you have to calculate entertainment allowance. Now, do you all know, dear students, that entertainment allowance is exempt only for government employees? So, what is the definition of salary when you take 20% of salary? It's only basic. If you are calculating gratuity, which is covered under the Gratuity Act, what is the definition of salary you have to take? Basic plus all DA. Ma'am, DA received is 1,000, but they said only 60% is considered for retirement benefit. But here you will take 1,000. If the employee is covered under Payment of Gratuity Act, for definition of salary, you have to take basic plus all DA. That's what I've written in note number 1 here. Okay. Now, covered. Okay. Now, for all the other retirement benefit, that is gratuity not covered, leave salary, retrenchment compensation, house rent allowance, and recognized provident fund, which is exempt up to 12% of the salary. So, ma'am, 12% of salary kya hoga? Basic, DA in terms of retirement benefit, commission not fixed per month, commission based on percentage of the turnover. Okay, so basic plus DA plus commission based on percentage of turnover. Clear to all of you? Huh? Are you clear? Those who have joined now, You can reply if things are clear or not. This will be a very crisp and clear video to be completed in less than 30 minutes. I'm giving you the gist of all the retirement benefits. Other all detailed learning is covered in Sarthi YouTube videos, and there's a rapid revision video also for revision of repeated revision right now. Okay. So for house rent allowance, when you write working note 1, HRA calculation, definition of salary for HRA, basic, DA in terms of retirement benefit, and commission as a percentage of turnover. Okay. Now the googly one, RFA. Hint. Even if they give you rent-free accommodation first, always calculate it last. Because the definition of RFA, rent-free accommodation, is very vast. Now, I'm not into that teaching mode ki rent-free accommodation kya hai. मैं आपको gist बता रही हूँ. So, for rent-free accommodation, you have to take basic, DA, commission. This time, any commission. Per month commission, percentage commission, any commission. Bonus. Taxable allowance. What do you mean by taxable allowance? If education allowance is received 5,000, exempt is 2,400. Just an example. So how much will be the remaining? 2,600. So only the taxable part of the allowance you will take, and don't take perquisites, monetary benefits, and taxable PF. You know, every problem in the exam will have PF. RPF received 18%, but exempt is 12%. Remaining 6% is taxable. Okay, recognized provident fund is taxable, but it is never a part of rent-free accommodation. Are you all with me? फिर से एक बार, because this is very important. What's the definition of salary for rent-free accommodation? Basic. DA in terms of retirement benefit. Commission, koi wala bhi commission. Per month, percentage. Bonus. Okay. Taxable allowances. Bas. Perquisites, no. Monetary benefit, employer is paying employee ka credit card bills and all, no. PF, taxable part, no. Allowances, only taxable you will take. Is this clear to all of you? So I've completed the first part of the learning. Those who have joined late should continue now, but you can go back and check the video because I know how every minute is important for you. So I'm not going to take one extra minute also. Any doubts you have in the Telegram, in the WhatsApp challengers group, just click the picture, send the photo with your topic name. I'm going to clear it with a voice note. Any doubt you have in accounts, tax, costing. But don't ask me, ma'am, ये problem solve करके भेजो. अच्छा नहीं लगता हो. No. ठीक है? चलो. So we have completed definition of salary. At least comment something. Is this clear to all of you or not? Put a message. Like it. Share this video with as many people who have doubt in salary. Salary, you need to score 8 out of 8 marks. 7 marks. MCQs. For CA students, case study. For CMA students, now to it's all MCQ, but all syllabus still they have true and false and all. So you can do. Now, let us start with all retirement benefits at a glance. Okay? Right. Now, if the employee is covered under Gratuity Act, then under section 1010, exempt is least of the following. Number 1 is actual amount of the gratuity received. Number 3 is government limit, 20 lakhs. And the middle one is 15 days salary for each completed year of service. And you have to take the fraction also. Now, what is this? First of all, take 15 by 26, not 15 by 30. Because if you are covered under Gratuity Act, then in a month only 26 days are there. 4 Sundays are holidays. So 15 by 26 into last month's salary into number of years completed. So if you have worked for 10 years and 7 months, we will take 11 years. 10 years and 5 months, we will take 10 years. So up to 5 months, ignore the fraction. 6th month onward, take it. Followed all of you or not? So suppose you have worked for 25 years and 3 months. So for 25 years, 15 by 26 into say last month's salary is 50,000. This will be the second bit. One bit is actual gratuity received and the third bit is 20 lakhs. Ma'am, 20 lakhs exam में आता है? Yes, आता है. Yes. So least of the three is exempt under the Gratuity Act and remaining. Okay, what do you mean by last month's salary? I have written here note 1. So again, for those who are covered under gratuity, last month's salary is basic plus all the DA. Ma'am, commission covered में नहीं आएगा. Commission will not come in covered. I'm just in the revision mode now. If you can spare 1.5 hours, then just watch Sarthi 25 videos in that search for the topic salary. And in salary, first video, all this is explained with example. If I take example, dear students, it will go very long. And you want only the revision, so I'm here to give only the revision. Next, if the employee is not covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act, then fraction is ignored. 10 years and 7 months, 10 years, 10 years and 5 months be 10 years. Fraction nahi lena hai. First bit is same, actual amount of gratuity received. Third bit is same, 20 lakhs. Middle one, you have to take half month salary. You know what is half? 15 by 30. Ma'am, then why 26? Because here they are taking 26 days in a month. Here they are taking half month 15 by 30 into average salary of each completed years. Ignore the fraction. Ma'am, if it is 10 years and 11 months, still 10 years. Ignore the fraction. Did you all get it? Huh? If you are in a learning mode, this will not help beta because or comment, do you want me to share one example also? Then it will go little longer. Yeah. So actual amount of the gratuity received and 20 lakhs is same. Half month's average salary and any fraction of the year will be ignored. Okay? For the average salary, you have to take for the last 10 months, ignoring the last month. Look at it. Ma'am, thoda sa technical hai beta. Agar aapne padha hai, so you will understand this revision. Okay? Salary for Payment of Gratuity Act not covered is basic plus DA if terms of employment so provide, commission based on percentage. And you have to take average salary of the last 10 months, excluding the last month. Last month ko chhod ke, if you're retiring in February, leave the February and from January onwards, backdate, calculate the average salary of the last 10 months. Nice and clear to all of you? Right. So that's all about gratuity. Let me tell you one thing very, very important, dear students. If you are covered under the Gratuity Act or anywhere. So can you see some government limits? I am giving you 20 lakhs. Pension ke liye koi limit nahi hai. Leave salary ke liye till now the limit is 3 lakh. If you are watching it for financial year 23-24, then the limit is 25 lakhs. So government limit. Retrenchment compensation 5 lakhs and VRS 5 lakhs. Now listen to me. This point is going to come in MCQs, case studies and true and false or whatever. These government limit of 20 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs are for lifetime. So if Saurabh, you are my employee and I have paid you 3 lakhs gratuity, you have taken exemption of 3 lakhs. Now you join with my colleague. There you have got 40 lakhs gratuity. What will be the government limit for you? 20 lakhs may say 3 lakhs I have paid you gratuity. You have claimed exemption. So with the next employer, when you retire and you get gratuity, what will be the government limit for you? 17 lakhs. So this gratuity limit is for lifetime. Is this clear to all of you? And any retirement benefit, which is received during the terms of employment. Okay, you are going to retire after 2 years, no? Take VRS now. Take retrenchment. I say any retirement benefit, if you get while you are still in employment, it's going to be fully taxable. Nothing is going to be exempt. You know, students, they look at gratuity received and they start working out 15 by 30 and government limit and actual gratuity received, whichever is least. No, dear. If he is not retiring, whatever gratuity and all they have given will become fully taxable. And if he is retiring, one more alert sign is whenever they give retirement problem, take care. Just don't blindly multiply basic salary by 12 months. If he has retired in December, you have to take it for 9 months only. You know? So take care of these points. And chalo, we will continue. Gratuity ke baad, pension. Uncommuted pension is also called as monthly pension. After the employee retires, if he receives monthly pension, it's going to be taxable for all, whether you are government employee. Yeah, gratuity, I missed writing here. This is all for government employees के लिए पूरा exempt है gratuity. Yeah. Uncommuted pension is monthly pension, and it is, this monthly pension is taxable for all. Monthly pension. Okay? Sure. I'm into this Magic of Logic series. If you want a detailed video to be made with one example, surely I will make that also. Yeah. Acha, what about family pension? After the employee is deceased, family pension is received by family member. It is taxable in income from other sources, and 1/3 or 15,000, whichever is exempt, lower, is going to be exempt. हाँ, वो भी MCQ में पूछते हैं. अभी uncommuted pension is monthly pension received by employee after retirement. It's going to be taxable for government, non-government, all employees. Now, commuted pension, lump sum pension. Ma'am, you are paying me 5,000 pension since April. December, my daughter's wedding is there. 80% of 5,000, 4,000. Can I get lump sum? एक साथ दे दोगे क्या? हाँ, दे देंगे. So when pension is given lump sum, that's called commuted. But 5,000 per month I am giving 80%. That is 4,000. He's taking lump sum. 4,000 per month multiplied by 40 months. वो lump sum लेके जा रहा है. Still 1,000 remaining pension. Will you get monthly? Answer is yes. Will it become taxable? Yes. For government employees also? Yes. A very nice example I have discussed in the Sarthi video. I took a decision not to go to examples, otherwise this video will become long. So I'm just revising the provision. If you feel, ma'am, we want one example for gratuity, one for pension, trust me, 1.5 hour first lecture of salary of Sarthi you watch, it will be clear. ठीक है ना? चलो. फिर से uncommuted monthly pension taxable for all. I feel these two bits are very important for upcoming CMA exam for MCQs. Now, commuted pension. Commuted pension is exempt. How much? Commuted pension is lump sum. Suppose 40,000 4,000 per month है और 20 months का lump sum दे दिया तो कितना आएगा? अभी क्लासेस नहीं चल रहे हैं ना, थोड़े छुट्टियों के मोड में है, कैलकुलेटर अंदर है, कितना आएगा, कितने जीरोस लगेंगे? करेक्ट है, 8 लाख रुपीस. नाउ इफ ग्रेचुटी इज रिसीव्ड, ओके, half of 100% commuted pension is exempt. Ma'am, what is government limit? There is no government limit in pension. Government limit in gratuity 20 lakhs, leave salary 3 lakhs, next year say 25 lakh, retrenchment compensation 5 lakh, VRS 5 lakh. Ma'am, out of this, which one is more important, gratuity and pension? Yeah, they are repeatedly asked. ठीक है, चलो, listen all of you please. So how much pension you have encashed? 80%. 80% is 8 lakhs. So 100% will be 10 lakh. So not half of 8 lakh. half of 100% commuted pension, that is 5 lakh, will be exempt if gratuity is received. If I think I've written reverse. Mistake from my side. 1 minute. Just give me 2 minutes. So many times we do all correct. ऊपर भी चलते हैं, ये सब भी booster notes है. Last magic of logic, in 15 minutes I've revised all PF table. If gratuity is received, then 1/3. If gratuity is not received, then half. वो वाले डिटेल्ड बूस्टर नोट्स हैं, ये मैंने पूरा जिस्ट बना के दिया है स्टूडेंट्स को. Yeah, I'll share this. I'll share these Sarthi notes also in the Telegram. Sure. Yeah. If gratuity is received, then 1/3 of the 100% pension is exempt. If gratuity is not received, then half of the 100% pension is exempt. If you comment and all of you say you want to watch the examples, I will share. It will take little long. Otherwise, we can make a separate video also. No problem. I'm always there to support you all. कोई भी डाउट है टेलीग्राम में पूछो, मैं वॉइस नोट से क्लियर करूंगी. चलते हैं आगे. लीव सैलरी. Leave salary for government employees exempt. For other employees under section 1010AA. Okay. One is actual leave salary received. One is government limit 3 lakhs for the December 23 exam. From next year onwards, financial year 23-24, that is becoming 25 lakhs. Government limit. 10 months average salary. Average salary of 10 months. And now this one. This one is very beautiful. Leave allowed as per 30 days or less per year. Ma'am, but my company is giving leave 60 days per year. Arey, your company is too good. How much is allowed here? Leave salary 30 days per year. So if you have worked for 10 years, 300 days. Less leave availed. How much chutti you have availed and taken? 250 days. How much leave is at the credit? 50 days. So 50 days into, say, your salary is 10,000 per month. 10,000 is for 30 days. So per day multiplied by 50 days, this is your first bit. This is called as cash equivalent of leave at the credit. Shall I repeat this? Shall I repeat? Yeah. जो easy है वो लिख लो पहले. Actual leave salary received. ठीक है. Government limit 3 lakhs now, 25 lakhs for financial year 23-24. Average of 10 months salary. And now leave allowed per year 30 days or less. If my company is allowing 25 days, I'll take 25 days per year. So say 30 days per year and I have worked for 10 years. So 300. How much leave is actually availed? 250. Balance leave at the credit is 50. Okay? Right. Chalo. Now, retrenchment, compensation and VRS. Okay? 5 lakh is the, you know what is retrenchment compensation? We just remove the employees before their retirement. निकाल देते हैं काम से उनको. 15/26 into average of the last 3 months into completed years or part thereof in excess of 6 months. तो fraction लेना है and actual amount of retrenchment compensation received. 5 lakhs, 15/26 into average of the last 3 months into completed years or part thereof in excess of 6 months. And actual amount of this retrenchment compensation received. VRS, last salary drawn. VRS is employee is going before time. But this time we are not removing. He is only going before time. So VRS will be like अभी 58 years ही हुए हैं और 2 साल काम के बाकी हैं. Last salary drawn into 3 into completed years or last drawn salary into remaining months, whichever is lower. Are you getting? Last salary drawn into 3 into completed years or last salary drawn into remaining months. whichever is lower, 5 lakh hai or actual. So what's the government limit for VRS and retrenchment? 5 lakhs. Leave salary, 3 lakhs. Pension, no limit. Gratuity, 20 lakhs. So you just have to calculate, and I've already cleared what is the various definitions of salary. So salary chapter is super duper scoring. Only pumping heart of this chapter is types of PF, which I have covered last Saturday in the Magic of Logic series. And today I covered all the retirement benefits and definitions. We have a lot to cover like this for section 44 series, for the adless concept, everything about scientific research. I will do it every Saturday live. So for timing, either it will be 11:30 in the morning or 6:30 in the evening. For that, updates and all, join the Telegram group. Wherever you need help, ask me. Okay? Right? Thank you so much for joining us in live. And if you feel this is very good for revision, share it with your friends. And if you feel, ma'am, please add example, comment below. If I get all your support, I will add example and take it again. Okay? So keep in mind the mantra that universe is always giving you best provided you are ready to receive with open arms. Wish you very all the best. Lots and lots of blessings and wishes for upcoming exam. Sarthi rapid revision video is also there if you want to watch it repeatedly. और क्या चाहिए बोलो, doubt क्या है बोलो. DT, costing, GST, any doubts are there, accounts. Now I'm not teaching, but I got 95 accounts. Full grip. Ask me any doubt, I'll clear it with a voice note. Thank you.